Today I show you how to enable developer options on an Android 14 phone or any Android phone. This is how you enable developer options on Android. On an Android phone, this is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, but you can do this with any Android phone. So go to settings, and while you are in settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on the About section. In the About page, you will see below the build number. You tap on the build number 5 times. You see the message, 4 steps, 3 steps. You tap until you see the message. Have to re-enter the PIN. It says you are now a developer. To verify that you have developer options enabled, go to search. You search for developer, you will see developer options in the menu there. And from here you can disable it if you want, and you can do a lot of settings. You have to be careful with these developer options. They might do some things unexpected. For example, one setting I like to enable in developer options is these settings: Windows animation scale and the animator duration scale and transition scale, to reduce this, to make the phone faster. And now I have transparent navigation, but I hope I don't mess up the phone. Yeah, there are a lot of settings here, so be careful with developer options. What you change here, it might affect the phone in an unexpected way. That's it.